Once you create your account for the first time, Edgetrack will automatically generate a default warehouse and a default category, which you can edit at any time. Now we need to configure your company information. Click the button to go to Settings, and here you'll need to fill in each field with your company details. The tax ID field is optional. You can also upload your logo and crop it to your preference. It's important to include your company's address if you want it to appear on receipts. Once your information is ready, click the Update button to save your changes. As you can see, the company information step in your onboarding is now completed. To finish the onboarding process, the only thing left is setting up your taxes, which we'll cover in the next video. Thank you for watching.